Hey everyone, this is another ClickFix shortcode tutorial, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how you can use a shortcode to make your user type in their address faster so that they don't have to type in their entire address. They just start looking for their address and a Google search will look for their address and type it in the field. There's a few steps that you need to follow to use this shortcode. The first thing is that you need to create your API code. So for that, you're going to go to the developers console from Google and you need to create a new project. I already have my project created right here, but if you didn't, you just have to create it if you click on here, new project. Now you're going to click on enable APIs and services and search for Places API. So once you click on this, you're going to click on enable. I already have it enabled, so I get the manage button, but this usually says enable. And now you're going to search for the Maps JavaScript API. And you're going to do the same thing with that one. Now that you have those two APIs enabled, you're going to go to the main dashboard and you're going to click on the Places API link. Now that you're here, you're going to go to the Credentials tab and you're going to click on this link. Then you're going to click on Create Credentials and you're going to create an API key. I already have mine created right here, and here is the key, so you can just copy it and use it in your shortcode. You also need to set up your billing information in here so that you get $200 a month in credits for free. Otherwise, your account will be limited to about 10 searches per day. Now back to Ontraport, the things that you need to do is to create a text field. So I'm using a notes field for this, and I am going to the custom code, and this is the code that you need. So it starts with get address, and then you're gonna type the field ID. If you wanna know what the field ID, you can use the ClickFix extension to figure that out. So if you click on highlight field names, you can get the field ID. So this time the field ID is notes, but sometimes it will start with an F and then it has 4 numbers after that. So you put the field ID and then hide yes. What this is going to do is that it's going to hide any address fields on your page. That's why I created an address field, just to show you how that works. So if you didn't want to hide that, you just type no. Now you're going to type in the language of your search, in this case English. And then after G key, you're going to paste your API key. And that is everything. Once you publish your page, this is what it's going to look like. So as you can see, there's no address field because it got hidden by the code. And now you can just type your address. And this is how you use the get address shortcode, and I'll see you in the next video.